Webull has been making waves as a trading app, especially for beginners. But does it really deliver on its promises? Today we're diving into what makes Webull stand out and where it might fall short for new traders. Webull is designed as a commission-free trading platform, which is a huge draw for beginners looking to get their feet wet in the stock market without worrying about fees eating into their profits. The user interface is sleek and modern, making it visually appealing and relatively easy to navigate. You'll find a range of features like advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and even paper trading for those who want to practice before committing real money. However, while it's packed with features, there are moments where it feels overwhelming, especially for absolute newcomers. The platform caters to a more engaged audience that's willing to learn, but it could be frustrating for someone who just wants a simple way to buy and sell stocks. Additionally, the educational resources available might not be as extensive as some users would hope for, leaving some gaps in knowledge for those just starting out. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Webull's commission-free trading is a massive advantage, and the app's tools for analysis are top-notch, appealing to those who want to dive deep into market trends. The practice trading feature is also a great way to build confidence without financial risk. On the downside, the learning curve can be steep. New users might feel lost with all the data and options presented. There's also a lack of comprehensive educational content, which could leave beginners needing more guidance. Plus, while the app is generally reliable, some users have reported occasional glitches, which can be frustrating when you're trying to make timely trades. Overall, while it's great for those willing to invest time in learning, it may not suit everyone. In conclusion, Webull is a solid choice for beginner traders who are eager to learn and engage with the market. However, if you're someone looking for a straightforward, no-fuss trading experience, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, it's worth giving a try, but be prepared to invest some time in learning the ropes.